Good morning. It's Tuesday, April 9th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Plenty of rain in North Georgia. Some heavy rain right now falling right over metro Atlanta. These showers are going to stay mainly in North Georgia as we move through the day today, but we do have strong to severe thunderstorms moving our direction, which we will talk about. Let's take a look at our temperatures across the state, and here we go. We have the upper 50s, low 60s. That's the name of the game with the cloud cover. That kind of keeps our temperatures pretty close to the same readings across the state. So not a big variation from North Georgia, checking in with those upper 50s and then some low 60s in parts of South Georgia. Now here's our severe weather outlook. This is going to be for tomorrow. We are under a level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for about half the state. Then parts of southwest Georgia, level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk. That's the darker shade of yellow, right up to Albany, down to Blakely and Cairo. But metro Atlanta, North Georgia mountains in that level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk. And then look off to the west, level 4 out of 5 severe weather risk for southern Mississippi, parts of Louisiana and Alabama. And I call this the bullseye effect. Even though we're in level 1 and level 2, we're going to be close to a very strong storm system, so we know the ingredients are in the atmosphere to get those storms kicking up. So we just need to take our level 1 and 2 risk a little bit more seriously than normal as we have this bullseye there just out to our west. And then as that storm system moves in late Wednesday night, heading into Thursday, it's going to lose some energy, but not all the energy. So here's our level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk. Again, for metro Atlanta, most of North Georgia and southwest Georgia, level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk, covering Savannah, Brunswick, down to Valdosta and Augusta. So strong to severe thunderstorms moving in as we head toward the middle of the week and heading into Thursday, and then we clear out. We'll be nice by the end of the week and into the weekend. So let's take a look at the weather model, and we'll time everything out for today. And here we go. So as we move through the morning hours, those showers continue to track up toward the northeast. We just go to scattered showers mainly over a good part of the state as we head into the late afternoon and evening hours. Rain still pretty consistent over the North Georgia mountains. Then another round of heavier rain starts to move in over metro Atlanta this evening, pushing off toward Athens, down to Washington and Augusta later on around midnight, trying to form a little thunderstorm line there, a little boundary, but that starts to fade out as it continues to track toward the southeast. So maybe a shower or two down towards Statesboro and Springfield, possibly into Savannah, not likely, but could happen later tonight, but mostly cloudy skies, a lot of humidity in the atmosphere, so expect a lot of fog as we get started for your Wednesday morning. So this is 7 o'clock tomorrow. Looks about the same as this morning. Showers mainly in North Georgia, so that rain just continues to track through. We'll be watching out for a flooding concern as we move through Wednesday morning, and then clearing out a bit. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds for a good part of the state on Wednesday. A couple of thunderstorms start to pop up in North Georgia by Wednesday evening, and here comes that line of thunderstorms moving in as we head into late Wednesday night. Look at that, kind of a swirling effect down in East Alabama heading toward Columbus. So we know this storm is really going to be producing a lot of lift, a lot of that vorticity in these storms. So look out for that as we head into Wednesday night. So starting to enter Columbus again just before midnight, and parts of west metro Atlanta as well. And this will continue to track through the overnight hours into Thursday morning. And as we get a little bit closer to Thursday, we'll talk about our severe weather risks. So that's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.